The number of flood victims in Sabah rose to 3,685 people from 1,593 families as of 8 a.m. on Saturday. The Sabah State Disaster Management Committee said 18 temporary relief centers are now open across the affected districts, namely Pitas, Kota Marudu, and Paitan. According to the Civil Defense Department, Kota Marudu has the most evacuees at 1,978, followed by Pitas with 1,515 and Paitan with 192 on Saturday morning. The numbers in Kota Marudu and Paitan continued to rise, and power disruptions were confirmed in the flood-affected areas. All three districts were flooded at 6 a.m. on Friday, following several days of continuous rain. The Malaysian Meteorological Department forecasts morning rain in inland Sabah, with possible thunderstorms later in the day.